I have been working with sustainability indicators and the role they have in local governance and how we can use information and data to change policies and to improve awareness and to change the behavior towards a more sustainable development. So for me, this project and the use of this specific methodology, the ecological footprint, it is a very important way of addressing these challenges to map, to understand environmental information at a local level and to use it to change behaviors and policies. Cities and at the local context is where we have the major challenges to address in environmental terms, but also the major solutions and to implement there and to change the environmental problems. The information that we'll get from the different municipalities that are involved in the project will provide us new data to change national policies in the way we can solve some of the biggest environmental problems that we have in the country, that is the pressure of the population in the coasts and less investment in the natural resources and the territory that is less populated. This data could be used at the national level to change the financing of the local municipalities and to allocate resources where municipalities could improve their ecosystems valuation and make a better contribution to the municipalities where the biocapacity is more supportive of the pressures of the ecological footprint of their residents. Environmental information is very difficult to collect and it's very difficult to have, and usually it doesn't provide us, when we have it, it doesn't provide us the picture that we want to see in our territory. So sometimes politicians are afraid of this data because it shows us the problems that we have in our territory in terms of environmental stresses and pressures. So in one way it challenges to see that the things are not exactly how we want it to be. But I think it is exactly because of that politicians need to see this data, need to have this data to change policies and to improve practices for sustainability, to change in terms of mobility, in terms of food consumption. And this indicator of the footprint, it is critical because it provides us an information on the consumption side, and that sometimes we have it easier on the production side, not on the consumption side. So it complements the approach and it provides decision makers with information that they don't have. Guimarães is now applying for the Green Capital Award 2020, so it has been implementing environmental policies very strongly. So it is a municipality that has a leading role in environmental policies in Portugal. So embracing this project is one of the sides that it is truly engaging these challenges of environmental pressures. It is also an excellent opportunity for Guimarães to work on the raising awareness and raising education on the population. Where we are at Laboratório da Paisagem in Guimarães is an excellent example of how the municipality is working towards education and towards awareness raising. And so this project and allowing to have the calculator of the footprint to be used for the population and to debate and to be aware of how their impact can change or can constrain the natural resources. This is an important project, not only for this level of action of a personal behavior and how to change the personal behavior, way of living, but also how to change policies and how to debate the need for these policies in the Portuguese context.